Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the 3x optical zoom telephoto camera on your Motorola Edge 60 Neo. So first, let's unlock the phone. Here, we're gonna open up the camera and you may see the 0.5, 1, 2, but we're interested in the 3. So now we are zoomed in and let's go over and shoot the same thing at the same lens. So I'll put the camera like this so you guys can see we are doing the picture on 0.5, 1, 2, and 3. So now you can see all the differences. This is our 3x, this is 2x, 1x, and 0.5. The rest is not relevant. But as you guys can see, the camera is really good. It catches every single detail that's possible. And this macro style, like close-up telephoto, is what this lens can pull off. So that's how you guys can use the 3x optical zoom telephoto. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.